Hey guys, it's Squishy Pop. I really need to change my channel name, so by the time you're watching this, I'll probably have a different channel name. But I literally just ordered squishies and I'm super excited because I'm nearly crying because I've never ordered squishies off here before, off Banggood, and I'm really excited because I never ordered squishies online before. And I'm starting to really freak out because I am so excited. So comment down below if Banggood is a good site because, well, I don't want to get scared. But anyway, before, you probably watched this video after I ordered it, so really there's no point in commenting. I've already ordered it, and my bun is going all weird today. I'm not going to do an outfit of the day with my stuff because I'm literally just wearing shorts and a t-shirt. So I bought a 20-piece set that's random. I bought a last squishy ice cream cup, and it's like Galaxy. I'm going to try and show you this. See there? And it's in the packaging, and then I bought a pudding dog, a half peach, pomegranate. No, I'm not going to tell you the rest because I'm going to be doing a video of me opening the squishy packages. It says it's going to come in 4 packages, so there's going to be 4 videos of opening squishies. That is going to be a lot, so make sure you are tuned in to my channel so you can go and see that. By the way, I don't make slime anymore because that's just weird. Now, so this is going to turn into probably a pretty good channel, I guess. Now I'm going to be looking over this one day saying, how cringy was I? Bye. That was, Okay, see ya.